In this video, I will show you how to organise your OneNote so that it's easier to find the notes that you're looking for. So as you can see at the moment, I've got my OneNote tab at the top that says structure. This actually belongs in the planner section. So I'm going to create a new section and call it planner. And this page is going to be how to guides. And then I'm going to go back to OneNote and I'm going to right click or use a keyboard shortcut to cut that and paste it in to here. As you can see, all the annotations that I made on the document, they have come over with it. I can then go back to here. I don't actually need both of these. I'm going to delete that one and I'm going to cut that one and bring it over to here just in case I choose to edit this document at any point. Once you know the fundamentals of how to set up your OneNote, it's easy to add more. So I can add another page and type links. And here I can copy and paste any links from the internet. So I might have this page, copy it and paste the link, and then I can click on there and it will take me directly to the right training page. I can also add new sections. So this one might be OneDrive and change the colour of those if I choose to. And then of course I can add different pages and title them whatever I like as well. So now I've decided I want to organise my notes a little bit better within the OneNote section. So I'm going to add another page and call it How to Guides. And another one, and I'm going to call it How to Videos. Okay, so this is part of a how-to guide, so I'm going to cut it and paste it with Control and X to cut and Control and V to paste. And then a videos section, I've found a nice little video in here that I'm just going to copy the link from. Again, Control and C, and I'm going to paste the link into here, Control and V. Now, because the how-to videos are quite similar in content to how-to guides, I can right-click on how-to videos and make it a sub-page. That means that when I can collapse it, so anytime I want to find out about information from my how-to guides, I can open it, and these are the written ones, and these can be the video ones. Okay, and you can do that for any of your sections. So although this isn't titled, I might call it for staff. And then here I might have how to guides. I might have how to videos, links, and frequently asked questions. And all of this is going to be for staff. So I can make it a subpage, right click, make it a subpage, right click, make it a subpage, right click, make it a subpage. If I change my mind and think actually that one's just for me, I'll move it to the bottom and then I'll right click on it and promote the subpage. If I hadn't moved it to the bottom, what would have happened is when I made it a promoted the subpage, it would make the frequently asked questions a subpage within my links, which I didn't want. So I'm just going to return it back, move it to the bottom, and then promote the subpage again so that I can collapse these subpages. And now I've got a section just for staff, and these links will just be for me.